Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these crispy oven baked drumsticks using rice paper, seitan, jackfruit, and popsicle sticks. So stay tuned. Bye. Okay, so now it's time to prepare our rice paper. Stack two pieces on top of each other and immerse them in a bowl of cold water. Now you want to keep the rice paper immersed for about 1 to 2 minutes. Your goal is to get the rice paper to the point where it's soft and pliable. So I guess depending on the brand, it can take 1 to 2 minutes. This rice paper that I used here took about 2 minutes to 3 minutes, I think. But once that was achieved, that texture was achieved, I place it on top of a clean, wet kitchen towel. So now you want to take a pair of scissors and cut out a triangle from this rice paper. So make it look like Miss Pac-Man. Once you cut out the mouth or the triangle, you can discard that piece. And now take 1/4 of your dough and shape it into the shape of a drumstick. Using one of the popsicle sticks that I had soaking in water, we're going to place that popsicle stick in our dough, shape it around the dough as if it were a drumstick leg, and then place that dough on top or in the middle of the rice paper. Now here's where things get a little tricky, and it's a little bit of trial and error to achieve the amount of rice paper that I want on each drumstick. So perhaps in the future I may use one piece of rice paper instead of two, but as you can see here, I'm fussing with it a little bit, just trying to get the amount of rice paper that I want on that one drumstick. So as I said, it's a little bit of trial and error in the beginning. Once I achieve the look that I'm going for, which I think I'm close to doing, I'm going to take that drumstick, prepare a cookie sheet with a rack on top, Spray it generously and place that chicken drumstick dough on top of there. So now it's time to add the marinade. So I'm going to add marinade to one side and then marinade to the other side. And then I'm going to go ahead and prepare my other 3 drumsticks. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper and salt on top of these drumsticks before I place them in the oven. I'm going to place them in a 390-degree oven for 30 minutes on one side, pull them out, and then 20 to 30 minutes on the other side. Alright, there you have it, our crispy oven-baked drumsticks straight out the oven. I hope you like this recipe. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a good one. Bye!